Okay, so those two pigtails right there went to the back of my instrument cluster. But all of this fuckery right here was just jammed in behind it, not connected to anything. I'm assuming by the colors on this pigtails that this is the radio harness. Also found this jammed back up in there, with this going on underneath. And if you look behind the vent here, come on, focus. You can see all manner of wiring harness components just doing their thing back there. So I've got to figure out which ones of these here wires operate turn signal at all, and what operates the speedo, because if I push the gauge cluster in farther than it's supposed to go, I have speedometer. If I don't, I don't. And why the hell do I have a phone line in here? Riddle me that, Batman.